So, as per the monthly chart, if we look at gold, it has broken all-time high after like 3 months, and it has sustained. It did not come down, and it is closed the month of January very bullish. So, the clear trend is, of course, uptrend. Now, it might take a small retracement in the month itself. So, the candle could be like it come here and then it moves up, so that is quite possible. Now, if you look at small price action pattern, so it has gone up, created a small consolidation, and then sustained up, and it can move up. Now, it has the potential to move a very high, like what? Around $400. So from here, if it moves $400, it would be something around 3,200 ish, right? So that could be another target, but that is on a month, on the monthly level. So it is a long term scenario. Now let's go to weekly and see what it has done. In the weekly also, it took a little retracement here. It was a very strong down move, and then a strong takeover on the upside. uh, but then it closed up again, though it was on a weekly basis. It was, there were small candles, but still it moved up. It closed above the 2800 2790 to be specific, but around 2800, and it sustained. So clear upward direction, but is there a possibility of a retracement? Of course, yes, because it did not break through the last previous resistance with force. It just gradually went up there, and then it just swept the liquidity out there. So there could be a little retracement. On a weekly basis, retracement levels could be the 2700, and then it might go up. So not much to look at there. On a daily basis, though, we will have quite a few levels to watch out for. And the clear 2725 is a very good level to watch for, because this seems to be a very good support, and from here it should take an upward momentum again, because the clear upward direction is still there. There is no doubt about it. So 2725 is a very good level that we will vouch for, and from here, if there is a rejection, it we will take a long position. If it breaks 2725, though, then the next support could be 2740, and then 26, uh, not even 2600. It should come down to 2560. If it breaks 2640, then it should actually come down to 2560, but that does not look very feasible due to the very uncertain times at this time, because of Trump's rhetoric, and the trade war that might begin very soon, because there could be retaliatory measures from other countries, like I think Canada and Mexico has already declared 25% tariff on US. So yeah, we'll have to see. And then there was a pause on Fed interest rate also last week. So that is also the result of this uncertainty. So we'll have to see. So due to this uncertainty, gold is going into a hedge by a lot of big institutions, and even countries. So it is quite possible that it might not even come down to 2700, and right from 2725 it should take a flight towards 28 to 40ish area, right? Okay, so this is the daily chart. But if if something very drastic happens, and if it breaks that 2725, we will have to be very cautious, and we'll see what goes on. But for next week, this is what we think it should do. It should come down, retrace to 2725, and then take a flight upwards. For intraday, we can check 4 hours. On 4 hours, we have very good support levels, and one is right immediately here, 2780. It might even just come down here on Monday, and then it might the rest of the week could be in a very good upward momentum. So 2780 is the level that I will be looking for very cautiously and very attentively. But if it breaks 2780, then the next target would be 2740. From here, it should definitely take an upward move. because if it breaks that level, it could be a change of character towards downside. So there we will have to be cautious, and if it breaks that 2740 area, then on a retracement we will look for entry towards the short side, because at this level, because it has kind of swept the previous all-time high, it should take a correction, but that correction should not be a lot, because of this uncertainty in the business world and the world today, because of this tariff things going on. But anyway, the month of February will be very crucial for gold as such, because in the month of March they have the next FMC meeting, and before this, in this month, the gold can, kind of make and break, as they say. So we'll be very attentive trading gold this month, and we will take upwards upside at this time, but then we'll see how it performs on these levels. Like the first level was 2780, then 2740, and the way it performs, we will trade, and we'll try to make some good time in February with gold. If you like this analysis, or if you're confused about it, you can meet us when we are live into trading every day in the London session, and there we can discuss what is going on. And anyway, this is a weekly analysis, so, and weekly strategy, weekly levels. But what happens intraday, we'll have to see when the market is live. So if you want to be with us, discuss some points, you can meet us in the live session, Monday to Friday, London session. And that's it about for now, for this week. We'll see you next week with a new video about the analysis of this coming week and the strategy for the following week. And until then, happy trading and bye.